Hello friends, my name is Vihaan and I am in grade 3 and today I made this plant. The project's name is Plant and Pollination. The components I've used are starter, motor, motion sensor, gear and many more non-electronic components. I programmed this model in such a way that when I'm gonna start this model, the bee will start rotating, and when it comes near the flowers, it will stop and make a sound of the bee. Let me show you a demo. Thank you. Using this project, I learned about something new that is called pollination. That is a process of collecting nectar from flowers. Thank you.